Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use the iPhone to record voice. Here are some steps to use your iPhone to record voice using the built-in Voice Memos app. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Locate and open the Voice Memos app. It's usually pre-installed. Tap the red record button at the bottom to start recording your voice. Speak clearly into your iPhone's microphone. When done, tap the red square or the stop button to stop recording. The recording will automatically be saved with the name New Recording or your location. Tap the saved recording to play it back. Or tap Edit, then tap on the new recorded sound to rename, trim, or delete the recording. To share, tap on Cancel if you don't want to proceed. Then tap the three dots, select Share, and choose your method, for example, Messages, Mail, or AirDrop. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.